Hey, English learners! Ready to improve your English? Let's learn together. Sophia, you won't believe what happened this morning. Really? Tell me. What happened? I met our old friend Emma at the supermarket. Emma? I haven't seen her in ages. How is she? She's doing great. She just started a new job. Wow. That's wonderful. What kind of job? She's working at a small fashion company downtown. That sounds exciting. Did she tell you anything else? Yes. She's planning to move to a new apartment next month. Seriously? She's making big changes. I know. We should meet her sometime. Definitely. Maybe we can invite her for coffee. Great idea. Let's message her tonight. Deal. Now, tell me, what else is new?